Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, my name is Michael Shu and welcome. Today we are unboxing a pair of boots. However, I'm very excited for this video as previously I've exclusively unboxed and reviewed Thursday boots. But today we are unboxing a pair of boots from a new brand called Astorflex. I'm very excited to see what they have to offer as this brand is based in Italy and their boots are all handmade in Italy. Be sure to watch the very end of this video as I'll be putting these boots on to give you guys an on-feet look, as sometimes the website doesn't accurately reflect the color as you would actually get straight out of the box. Pictures on the website has perfect lighting to make it look more appealing, but I'm going to show you guys what these boots really look like straight out of the box. If you guys do like this pair of boots and you want to get your own, be sure to use the link down below as it's going to help me out a ton. And before we dive into this video, if you guys aren't subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you guys went down, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up. It's going to help me out a ton. Without further ado, let's dive into this unboxing. First off, this box is very nice and clean. On top of it, it just says Astorflex 1820. I'm guessing that's when the brand is found. And under it, it says La Scarpa Buena. And that means the good shoe. You know how I know that? It's because I Googled it. On the side here, it's just nice and clean, not much here. And on this side, says 42. And that is the equivalent to size 9. And I got Bitflex dark chestnut. That's the color of the boot I got. You guys ready? I'll give you guys a first look. What do you guys see? Whoa, look at that. First off, it comes with this. It says the design and production of footwear made in Italy since 19th century. So that's pretty cool. Oh man, look at this pair of boots. Oh my gosh. Let me take them out for you guys. I love how clean everything is packaged. So much attention to detail. Whoa. So this is the Chelsea Bitflex boot from Astorflex. And upon first getting out of the box, these look very clean. And look at these soles. I've never seen soles like these before. Like I said, I've only worn Thursday boots, so they don't have any soles like this, but these are crepe soles. They're supposed to be very comfortable and says on the website that you're walking on clouds. So I'm excited to put these on and see how comfortable they really are. What's interesting about purchasing these boots is that they don't sell them on Astorflex's website. I checked out their website and a lot of it is in Italian as this brand is in Italy. But you can purchase boots directly from their website, which I thought is very interesting. There are certain retailers and websites that carry these boots. And the retailer in North America is Huckberry. So you have to go on Huckberry's website in order to get this pair of boots. On the website has 6 different colors. It comes in black, dark chestnut nubuck, tan, stone, tobacco, and ebano nubuck. Those are the 6 different colors. But I got this color just because I think it fits me the best. It's a very versatile of a color and I could wear this with a pair of jeans or I could dress it up a little bit and even wear it to the office. The leather looks very nice and smooth. However, if you go on Huckberry's website or even Astorflex's website, it doesn't give specific details about the materials of the build of the boot or where this leather is even from. On the website it just says it's from Europe. The leather is from Europe, but I would like to know where in Europe it's from. It does say these are crepe soles, very comfortable. I'm excited to see how long the break-in period is for this pair of boots, whether it's going to be a little bit stiff in the beginning and 2 weeks later it'll be more comfortable, or like Thursday, right out of the box, comfortable, no break-in period required. You can also see this has a 360-degree stitching. I'm not sure what kind of welt it is. I don't think it's a Goodyear welt. From the research I've done, and Stridewise have made a video about this pair of boot as well, he says it's ideal stitching. Not too sure what that means, but this pair of boots is resoldable if you do need to. Getting these boots straight out of the box, I gotta say, I really like the silhouette of this Chelsea boot. It's a nice slim silhouette. However, the toe box is a little bit more round. Looks like it has a little bit more space in the toe box. So for those people who have wider feet up front, this will be a very comfortable boot for you. Looks very comfortable, a lot more spacious. Soles are very comfortable. 360-degree stitching, which is what I like. It does have this nice pull tab up here, which makes it very convenient when putting Chelsea boots on. I also really like just the general design of Chelsea boots. They're just so convenient to put on. There's no laces, no hassle. Compared to a traditional boot, you have to unlace everything, then put your feet in, and then put the laces on. That does actually take up some time. But with these Chelsea boots, with the pull tab, you just open it up here and slip your foot in. Very convenient. Another thing you guys might be wondering is how much this pair of boots costs. The price of it is very important. However, these boots only come at $250, which is actually not that bad for a high quality pair of boots handmade in Italy. There are a lot of boots out there on the market that cost way more and use a lot less better quality materials than this boot. However, $250 is more than Thursday's $199 Chelsea boots. So I'm excited to test these out, see how they compare to Thursday's boots. That's about it for my first impression of these boots. I'm just very excited as this is something different, something new that I've never experienced before. I've never worn boots with crepe soles. I've never had boots that are not Goodyear welted. I'm very excited to try these on. If you guys do like these pair of boots and want to purchase it, you have to get it on Huckberry's website. There are 6 different colors, which is cool. It gives you a whole variety of different options to choose from. And if you do want to purchase them, be sure to use my link. It's gonna help me out a ton. But let's go ahead, go outside, put these boots on, see how they look on feet, the comfortability, the sizing, and we'll come back and talk about all of that. Let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed that on-feet look of Astorflex's Bitflex Chelsea boot in dark chestnut. Upon first wearing these boots, I gotta say, these crepe soles are so soft. They are very comfortable. I haven't worn any boots like this before, and they are very nice. However, one thing I have heard about crepe soles is that they do track up a lot of dust and a grime, and they just kind of stick there. So I'll be continue wearing these boots, and I'll be giving you guys a full review and see how these crepe soles actually hold up. And for sizing, I got size 42, which is a size 9. I usually wear size 8.5. I am between sizes. However, I still chose to go with size 9, and they are a little bit bigger, and I do wish I got the size 8s. Even on Huckberry's website, it does say if you are between sizes, go with the smaller size. I should have listened to them. But these size 42, size 9s will work, a little loose, but it will work. Overall, I would have to say these boots are definitely worth $250, which is actually a very good deal for a pair of boots that are handmade in Italy, crepe soles with a 300-degree stitching, very good looking Chelsea boot. Like I said, there are 6 different colors, so there are a lot of options for you to choose the color that you want. You can get these boots from Huckberry's website, and if you do want to purchase a pair of these boots, be sure to use the link down below. Like I said, it's going to help me out a ton. That's going to be it for my first impression of these Astorflex. I'm very excited to see what other boots, what other shoes that Astorflex has to offer. They do have an all black Chelsea boot, which I would really love to try out. Those look really cool that you could wear for formal occasions. So I would want to try those out. But Astorflex also do offer different styles. So I'm also looking forward to test those out. Hope you guys enjoyed this first impression. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye.